My name is Vicki Prazuch and I'm business manager at Auto Truck Equipment Repair and Sales here at 500 Alderson Street, Schofield. It was an older version of a website, and so it was very outdated. He really wanted to bring something much more professional and something that was, he's old school and he doesn't know a lot about technology stuff, but he knew he needed to go in a different direction. Yeah, everybody knows Gordy and knows that he tows in town. But what they didn't know is that he worked on heavy equipment, that he worked on diesel trucks, semi-trucks, that he took care of fixing trailers. That is very much where we got a lot more business going through Hibu. So they see the website, they call about, oh, I see your website. Want to know if you can take care of my lawn tractor, or I've got a diesel engine sitting on the side of the road. Can you help out? So, and out of town people see it. So that's a very good thing. His time is now spent making more money in the amount of time that he's at the shop, and it has definitely given him more to do. But it's not like he's chasing. The phone calls keep coming. It's very much his time is much more valuable now. He gets paid for it. There's so many different options that you can do, and there's so many different ways you can go about getting your business out there and making the money and getting those calls in. I would definitely say you have a lot of options that you can choose from. Yes, I would. Awesome. Very much so. And Gordy does too. He's too busy. If I had a difficulty, then they were right there on the phone to help me out. So that was a really good experience.